Students, in this class I will be doing class 9 matriculation syllabus, Symmetric syllabus. I am doing first chapter, that is set language chapter I am doing. That is the first chapter in the textbook. Okay, so already 2 exercises I have completed. Now I am going to do third exercise. So before going to do that third exercise, few important things we need to know. That is set operations. So that we will so 5 set operations are there. So we will know about this, then we will go to the exercise sums. Okay. So first one is set operations. Set operations means when 2 or 3 sets are combined together under some conditions, we will get one, finally we will get one set. That is called set operations. Using some condition, we will be deriving, we will be combining those 2 or 3 sets to make it into a single set. So that is performed under these conditions. That is set operations. There set operations exist. So this we can represent it diagrammatically called Venn diagram. Okay. So first one is complement of a set. So what do you mean by this complement of a set? If we take set A. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 elements you have in the set A. Then we have universal set, that is A is a subset of that universal set, we can say. That is 1 to 10 elements are there in that universal set. So A dash, we will say this as A complement of A, or A dash means we will remove the elements of A from the universal set and the balance element from the universal set is called complement. A complement we will say. That is A dash is already 5 are there. So we will remove that. Whatever common you have for that universal set and the set A, we will remove that. Balance element from the universal set is A dash. That is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is called complement of a set. So how will you represent this by Venn diagram? So if you take this as the universal set and this is set A. Okay, so we will be representing the set A by shading this A. So this is set A. So A dash is, so when you take the same thing, how we will represent A dash is what I told you. Whatever common is there for A and the universal set we will remove. Whatever balance element in the universal set, that is called A dash. So the balance element in the universal set, so this is A. And this one is A dash. So A dash is represented by this. So this is set A, universal set. This is a universal set. When you take this element from A, the remaining elements from the universal set is called A dash. Okay. So this is complement of a set. Then next one is union of the set. So union of a set is very simple. When you combine any two elements, elements of two sets. For suppose if A is having 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. B we are having 1, 2, 3. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is 5, 6, 7. So the union of these two sets is union of set, that we will be representing that by U. So A union B is all the elements from A and B will be writing that together. Since this 5 is common, we will write that only one time. So the remaining elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is A union B. That is union of two sets. Okay, that is union of two sets. When you combine the elements of A and B, when you write it together in the Venn diagram, it will be represented as this is set A, this is set B. We will represent A union B as the full thing here. Full shaded one. This is A union B. Okay. Then that is union of two sets. The next one is intersection of two sets. So this is also simple. Intersection of two sets is when you find the intersection part, that is common elements between two sets. Same A and B we will take. A intersection B is denoted by this letter, intersection B. This is union and this one is intersection. So A intersection B. When you take A intersection B, the common element between A and B. That is called the intersection. So we'll have only in this given question only 5 is the intersection part. So that 5 only is A intersection B element. So if you take this is A and this is B. This 5 is common to both. So we'll be representing it here, this part. So we will write this 5 here. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. We will be writing it in A set. And here we will be writing 6 and 7. So 5 is common to both the sets. That is the intersection part. A intersection B. Then next one is difference of two sets. That is, we will write it as A minus B. Okay, difference between the two sets. The same two set if we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. B is 5, 6, 7. A minus B is, we will take the element of B. Whatever common is there, first you have to check the common elements between A and B. And we will remove that common element from A. That is that in the first set, we will write that alone. So what is the common element of A and B? 5 is the common element of that. So we will take that common element and write only the element of the first set. Here A minus B is given. Common is 5. So we will write the remaining elements from A. That is A is the first set given. So you will write that. Okay. So A minus B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here this is the common element. 5 is the common element. So that 5 you should not write. Okay. So 5 is the common element between this 5 and 6. The remaining elements will be A minus B. Same way if you are asked to find B minus A. What is the first set? B is the first set. What is the common element? 5 is the common element. So we will remove that 5. Balance 6 and 7 is B minus A. Okay. So this is difference of two sets. Then next one is symmetric difference of two sets. So symmetric difference of two sets. So that symmetric difference we will be writing it as A symmetric B. We will write it like this. In a triangle, we will represent asymmetric B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. So this is the symmetric difference. That is, we will find the difference of A minus B and B minus A and we will write those two sets together. So just now we found A minus B is A and B, common is 5. So A minus B is 1, 2, 3 and 4 union. B minus A is 5 is common. So 6 and 7 is B minus A. So if you combine both these sets, that is asymmetric B. So when you combine what you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. So this is asymmetric B. Understood? So these are the 5 important things you have to remember before doing this exercise. Now we will do exercise sums. So now we will do exercise sums. Using given Venn diagram, write the elements of, so 10 elements we are asked to find. With the help of the given diagram, we are asked to find the elements of that. So first one is A. So what are the elements of A? 2, 4, 8, 7, 10. Even though this is common to both A and B, we have to write that also as element A. So 2, 4, 7, 8, 10. So this is set A. Then next one is set B. Set B is same way. 3, 4, 6, 7, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11. So these are the 6 elements we have in B. Okay. Then third one is A union B. So A and B union. So whatever common is there, common elements are there for both A and B, we will write it one time. That's all. So the common elements of A and B are 4 and 7. So the remaining elements from all the sets, from both the sets, we will be writing. So here A is there, here B is there. So common element for this is 4 and 7. Okay, common element for this is 4 and 7. So we will write one time. Write that one time. That's also 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So totally we will get here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elements. Okay. Then fourth one is A intersection B. So intersection for both this is 4 and 7. You can see from these two sets also. So 4 is there in both the sets and 7 is there. So A intersection B is 4 and 7. That is A intersection B. Then next one is A minus B. So whatever common you have for A and B, that you have to remove, and only from the set A you have to write. So common for A and B is 4 and 7. So A minus B is 2, 8 and 10. 2, 8 and 10. So this is A minus B. You remove this B set, remaining elements from A, that is A minus B. That is 2, 8 and 10. Then next one is B minus A. Same thing. Common element for A and B is 4 and 7. You leave that. Remaining elements are 3, 6, 9 and 11. 3, 6, 9 and 11. Next it is given B minus A over then A dash. Seventh one is A dash. A dash is, you have to check what are all the elements you have in A. You have to take that and the remaining elements from the universal set you have to write. Remaining elements from the universal set. That is, you have to include B elements also. You have to remove only this A element from the given set. What are all the elements if you say in the universal set? All the elements together are called the elements of the universal set. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. These are called the universal set. So A complement is, we will take only that A elements out. Balance elements from the universal set and the B set, we will write it as A complement. Okay. So A dash is, we will remove this 2, 4, 7, 8, 10 we will remove. The remaining elements we will write 1, 3, 6, 9, 11, 12. So this is A dash. Okay. Then next one is B dash. Same thing only for that. We will remove this B element, B set. From the total set, we will remove the B set. Remaining elements we will write 1, 2, 10, 8 and 12. So this is B dash. Okay. Then next one is universal set. So universal set is all the elements together. We will write it in the universal set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. So totally here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which one I missed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 I didn't write. So if you cross check like this, it will be easy. So here 3, here 4. 3 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 elements. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 elements we wrote. Okay. So with this, I am completing today's class. Remaining sums in this exercise, I will do it in the next class. So whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.